Life is good though. I want y'all to see that life is great. Your life is great too. Have a good time, man. Have some fun. Having fun is okay. Get some love in your...
Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Today is July 25, 2026. So, context. Okay, so, dumating ako here, July 22. Supposed to be, I have 22, 21, 22. Tuesday, 22. Yeah. So, dumating ako here, July 22. Kasi, we're supposed to have our duty sa DR. 23, 24, 25. 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. But, it was suspended. Like, until now. Kaya, I don't have duty. Pero, there is possibility na may duty mamayang gabi. 11. If malift ang EO, or memorandum. So, for now, I'm just gonna vlog a day. A day with me. Kasi I'm alone pala. I forgot to tell you guys. I'm alone here. And, I'm not alone exactly, but, parang na-annoyed. But, kuya is in Davao. Nag-duty siya for his psychia. So, yan lang. I'm gonna be alone here with Kian for the next few days. So, let's go. Come with me. Spend a day with me. While waiting for our kamote to boil, we're gonna do our skincare. Yeah? Bay ka na kasi sa showcase ko. Pinudal pa. Uy, di ka naman pinipilit ah. Sana wala duty. Kasi kung wala duty, magsisimba ko bukas.
Umaga na lang.
Gusto ko talaga umaga.
Mahirap din lumabas ikaw ng hapon. Yun niya kasi gabi scary. Bicycle.
We're gonna wait for like 10 minutes. So today talaga, I'm waiting lang for the memo. If malilift ba siya or magkaka-duty kami ngayong araw. So, para sure, I'm gonna prepare everything talaga. I'm gonna plan siya, my uniform. And at the same time, I'm wishing sana walang duty. Pero sayang kasi yung time. Dapat nagka-duty talaga kami. Anyway, I'm wishing na sana walang duty kasi gusto ko magsimba tomorrow. Another day of vlogging na naman yun. So, look at the kamote, guys. It's so yum. Kain! Love, kain ka ba?
Kasi ulam.
Kamote. Yum.
Yum. Kamote.
Hi vlog, I'm done taking a bath. We're gonna do skincare. So vlog today, I really don't know what to do. It's so boring. Wala akong nagawa. I have nothing to do, so I'm just maybe gonna read. I'm patiently waiting for the announcement because hindi pa nga sure if I have duty mamaya or what. So like, standby lang pala. So standby lang talaga ako here and we're gonna wait. By the way, I'm done eating lunch and done ako bath, done skincare, and might as well read stuff. So yeah, I hope walang duty mamaya kasi I have plans tomorrow. And if meron naman, it will be cancelled. Yung plans ko tomorrow will be totally cancelled. Kasi mangyayari yung plans ko bukas morning. Kasi magsisimba ako. So if I have duty, then hindi ako makakapagsimba and no more errands doon sa city. Anyways, see you later guys. I'm just gonna chill and do nothing. My vlog, so pumunta ako sa siblings because I'm so hungry. I need to buy my food. And ang laki pala. Ang laki! This is like less than 150. And I bought mayonnaise doon sa grocery and eggs. Full eggs. Kasi gagawin na naman ako ng egg sandwich tomorrow. So, let's go. We're gonna do food haul. We have Coke. Coke. We have the big food. Look yan. It's so big.
Wow.
The big meal. Uy, parang ang gutom ko tingnan. Spaghetti and chicken and burger steak. What? Ang dami. Super dami niya. I thought I'm trying to lose weight. Spray.
Just a bit. I don't support it on fast. We're not going to photo off.
Kain. Kain guys. Hi vlog, good morning. Nakabihis ako kasi nagsisimba tayo today. We have to like rush kasi baka mali tayo. It's currently 8 and 8:30 will start. Let's do a quick get ready with me. Let's go na.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm so lucky. Ang dami ko nakuha. Pag 25 lang. Like, I got 5 items for 125. And now, we're gonna buy my snacks sa Panadero, my favorite food. Hi vlog, so kakauwi ko lang and I'm so proud. I'm so proud sa mga naukay ko, sa mga nabili ko. So, first, context. Pagdating ko doon, walang barya yung 500 ko. So, I need to buy something. Sabi ng lalaki, sabi niya, buy daw ako doon ng flowers. Ayaw ko ng flowers. So, bumili ako ng tada! Dragon fruit. Yummy. So, bumili ako nito. I'm so happy. Kasi favorite ko to. Next. Kanina, after ko magsimba, I was thinking na mag-ukay talaga. Pero, nakita ko yung mga prices. 120, 50 each items. Pero boy, nakita ko tag 25. Tag 25 lang doon. So, we bought 5 items. Total of 125. So, mura para sa 5 damit. At saka, super ganda pa ng quality. And now, we're gonna try it all. This one first. Sorry, kalat pa doon. Sobrang daming kalat. Hindi pa ako nag-clean. Tada! It's medyo, see-through. Pero I think we can work on that. clean the room and prepare my breakfast. I'm hungry. Hi guys. So it's Hi guys, so it's dinner time. I have here garlic chicken with rice and we have 2 big dragon fruit. I'm so excited to mukbang all of this. Look!
Wow!